Larry, how's it going, man? Thanks for responding earlier. I wanted to shoot a quick video and kind of go over your website as well as the business opportunities there are in Memphis. Let me check. Did you have a Google business listing as well? Looks like you do. Let me check that out first. Oh, Davis. Here you are. So, as you probably know, when people search Memphis HVAC repair or whatever key term that you're looking to rank for, the first thing that usually shows up is this Google My Business listings. It's called the map pack. So besides these ads that no one ever clicks on. So in order to rank in this area, because this is where a lot of the traffic and the calls will come from, you need to optimize your Google business listing. Let me go over some of that stuff. So let's see what you have so far. So you have 4 photos. So there's a couple of different factors that go into ranking into this top 3 map pack. The first one is making sure that your business listing is set up correctly. And there's a couple of things that go into that. One is having your name. This guy's got a super long name. And having the correct category. So you can look at the categories: air conditioning, repair. This one is plumbing and HVAC. Wonder how he's ranking. Oh yeah, it's just an ad. HVAC contractor. So those are all different categories. You want to have one primary category and a bunch of secondary categories, as many as apply to you. So this guy, precision air conditioning and heating, he has all of these subcategories. And if any of those apply to you, you should also add all of those to your business listing. HVAC contractor, air conditioning contractor, air duct cleaning service, furnace repair service, because those, if you have those categories listed in your business listing, then when people search for air conditioning repair service in Memphis, then you'll show up in the results. Let me check to see what you have already. Okay, you do have some good ones. Awesome. So yeah, having the categories, and then the next thing is having a lot of photos. Like if you notice, most of the guys who are ranking really high, they probably have 30 or 40 photos. So continually updating your business listing and adding more photos. This guy, he didn't do the photos correctly. You want to submit square photos. The best size is 750 by 750 pixels. Otherwise, they show up kind of weird like this, and they don't look that great. So, but this one's okay. So adding some photos, and when you upload the photos, you'll want to name the photos your services. So if you uploaded a photo of you doing HVAC repair, you name it HVAC Repair Memphis. Location plus the service. It's really important because the more times you have the keywords in your business listing, the easier it is for Google to know what your business is about, and the higher it will rank. The next thing is, of course, getting more reviews. Right now you have 2 reviews, so you can create a link on this thing called WhiteSpark. It has a review service. WhiteSpark review link generator. So I would go there, get a link, and then you can send the link or the image whenever you service somebody, and they can easily give you a review, because that will also help you rank higher in the business listings map pack. Besides that, you also need to write the business description, and get what's called citations. So a citation is a directory. It's anything that you can list the business in. There are some that are specific to locations. There's some that are specific to industries. So the more specific you have, the local citations you have your business listed in, the higher you're going to rank in this map pack. So I can help you find some of those, but a good way to find them is go to WhiteSpark, type in your city, and then try to add your business into all of these. Usually when I'm creating a website or doing SEO, it's one of the first things I do. I'll get around 150 citations where I list my business in all of these, and it will help boost that Google business listing. So that's basics on the fastest results. After that is your website. So it looks like you haven't actually finished building this website because there's still a lot of text that isn't filled out, like info@mysite.com. I'm sure that's not your actual email address and stuff. But the site looks good. I mean, it's Wix. Wix is really easy to design on. I like all these icons and stuff. Definitely, you know, a good start. If you wanted to get help and actually try to rank the website, I would suggest switching from Wix to WordPress, just because WordPress is more SEO friendly. You can do a lot more with it to get it to actually rank. And let me show you kind of what I mean by that. So when I search Memphis HVAC repair, the first person that shows up is Precision HVAC. So this guy is probably built on WordPress, but he's got a huge website. But what we can do is we can look exactly what he's doing. Did I already do? PrecisionHVAC.com. So this guy, he has 719 organic traffic. So that's monthly. Every month they're getting on average, 700 people to visit their website, and hopefully, a fourth or a third of them are calling and becoming his customers. And so you can look at the keywords that he's ranking for. So this is really, really important when you're trying to rank and get business from a website. So you don't want to just write random content. You want to write content that people are searching for. And so that's what this tool does. This one is called Ahrefs. That it tells you how many times each keyword is being searched every month. So precision air conditioner, that one has his brand in it, but it's being searched 350 times every month, and he's currently ranked number 4 for that keyword. But for this one, like, you could do this: air conditioning repair, Memphis, Tennessee. That one is searched 100 times, and it's the keyword. So this is another category. It's called keyword difficulty. It's how much competition there is online for that keyword. So HVAC in general is a pretty competitive online space, but this is 0 to 100. Anything from 0 to 5 you can usually rank for it if you do a bit of SEO within 3 months. These 34, 26, 31, these higher keyword difficulties, they'd probably take me like 6 to 9 months to start ranking on the first page for, because it's really competitive. But yeah, so what I would do is, or if you need help, I can even make a list for you of keywords. But create a list of keywords that you want to include and you want to rank for, and then include them in your text of your content. And as you do that, then Google knows that you're about those kind of things: air conditioning repair, Memphis, Tennessee. And it sees that on your website 3 or 4 times. It knows that you're about that topic, and then it will list you as ranking for that service. Air conditioning Memphis is another really good one. 150 searches a month, only 8 out of 100 keyword difficulty. Air conditioning repair. I'm not sure exactly what all of your services are. I guess I could look at your website again and see. Fan motor replacement. Yeah, we could try to rank for all sorts of these kind of keywords. Heater repair, system installation, and be using the exact search terms that people are searching on the internet so that you can rank for them. The last thing that goes into ranking on Google, besides having the correct keywords and the content, is something called backlinks. So this company, they obviously invested a lot into their SEO and have done quite a bit with it. But backlinks, so they have 77 really good, strong backlinks. A backlink is any website on the internet that has your website linked on it. So it's referencing to your website. So say you wrote a blog comment about a blog post about how to install HVAC systems in Memphis, Tennessee. And then it's a really good blog, and so this other person references you, and leaves a link to your website so they can see the reference. That becomes a backlink to your website, and it tells Google that your content is really good, your website is trusted and it will rank you higher than your other competitors because it knows that you have a trusted website. And so what I do when I'm trying to outrank somebody, I'll go through all of their backlinks and I'll find all of these websites and I'll try to get the same exact backlinks from them. You want the ones that are relevant to your industry. Of course, you don't want a backlink from a website that's about pizza or something like that. If you're an air conditioning business, you want stuff that are portable air conditioning units. That's a website that's just about portable air conditioning units. So that kind of backlink is good. But yeah, that's kind of the basics of SEO. So my recommendation for you is to definitely get some citations, optimize your business listing, add some photos, finish your website, or if you're looking to just create a full new, if you want me to take it over and redesign it and add the content, I can totally make you a quote for that as well. Pretty much any website you see online, I can recreate it. So if you don't want to stick with this kind of look, but you want to like switch to, I don't know, something else, you can just give me a couple of examples of websites you like, and I can take a look at how much it would cost to create all of that content and all of that website. Obviously, the more content you have on the website, the better. It ranks higher with more words. So if you're not going to have me do it for you, definitely try and write some more content for your website. But yeah, thanks, man. Look forward to hearing from you, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have about keywords or anything else, and helping you with any of your goals.